What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna drop 2 gems right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop 2 gems for you guys. I know I've not been very active on my channel. I've actually been losing subscribers instead of gaining, but yeah, regardless, we move on. So I'm gonna encourage you guys to subscribe, send this video to your friends. These 2 gems are very important. So the first one I'm going to talk about is how to register a company in the US, how to register an LLC in US. The second one is Black Friday is around the corner. I mean, we're in September, we're in mid-September right now. So I'm going to share with you guys tips how to take advantage of this Black Friday and do the most if you are still on Jumia, or you're still planning to sell online, or you still sell online. So this video is for guys actually who are in Africa or somewhere else in the world and they don't have an LLC and they would like to actually open an LLC. This is what this main video is going to be about mostly. So there's this company called Dollar, that's DOOLA. It's an Indian guy who actually opened this company in the US to help people who do not live in US to open LLCs. So once you have this LLC, you'll be able to own a bank account in the US. You can have a bank with Chase. You can own an EIN. You can own a social security number and all those other required procedures you need to have for you to also have a legit business and also to run operations online. Well, this is very important because personally I stopped drop shipping and a lot of my online endeavors because there's been a lot of friction for me. I live in South Sudan right now, and living in Africa already is so much friction in terms of Wi-Fi and access to the world, and one of the main problems that I experience, and I'm sure also you've experienced sometime, is the payment. You set up a store and then you come to the section whereby you want to set up payment providers, and you find that you only have PayPal to connect to your store. And that is very limiting because PayPal end up holding your funds later on for up to 6 months. If you get like $15,000, they'll hold your funds, up to 6 to 3 months. If they hold your funds for that long, you don't have any cash flow coming in and going out of your business, to keep the business alive, to get the operations going on the day to day. So this would either means you're going to use more of your personal money or the business will just die down, which most cases the business will die down because you start this business to actually get more money online. So with the availability of Dollar, now you can actually register a company online and be able to have access to multiple payment providers, because customers love having options for payment. They don't want to be restricted to only PayPal. They want to have a Visa card, they want to have MasterCard, all these things. If they see them at the checkout, or even Shopify payments will also be available for you to activate once you have this account. So actually this is a very good opportunity for somebody who is serious, who is serious about long-term businesses online and is serious about creating their own LLC. So I'm going to show you guys through the process online. So basically, the main information you need to know is it's going to cost you minimum $300 to actually register the company, pay the fees at so I would suggest you register in the state called Wyoming. It's the easiest, and yeah, $300 is the base fare for registering the business. Obviously there's other fees on top if you want, for example, express delivery, but I don't mind paying the $300 and waiting for up to 6 months for me to receive my LLC. And if you want this one to be like a hastened process, you might have to pay more money, for the express delivery, for there's a lot of other processes like insurance, all these things, but yeah, you don't need all that. You just need now the bare minimum of the LLC being registered. So without wasting more time, I'm gonna go to the screen and so right now, as you guys can see, I'm actually on the main page of Dollar. So the best way for you is actually to schedule a free business call with them, a business consultation, and ask them all the questions in person. Those will cut through all the red line, all through the waste of time. And as you can see, you guys here, you can actually even chat with them straight up. They have a chat feature enabled right here just for you, for your help. So as you can see, this guy is actually legit. So basically it costs $300, to actually open this LLC. But obviously there's other charges they're going to add, like bank insurance, other stuff, blah blah. But the basic starting fee is $300 to get your LLC set up. Once you have that LLC, everything of yours will be easy. As you can see, they have reviews of people from all over the world: Mexico, India, UAE, India. You see, all these are real people who have actually registered their companies with Dollar. So if you come to the FAQ section here, do I need to be a US citizen to open with Dollar? No, you do not need to be a US citizen to actually open an account with them. See, this is what I meant about you guys. So basically, we work with entrepreneurs from around the world to get their businesses incorporated. So don't take our word for it, check our wall of love. This is something no, this is something we'll check out later, not now. Right now, let me just finish, just telling you guys. Let me open the new tab. So yeah, as you guys can see, they have FAQs here, questions you might be asking. So what information do you need to get started? So all you just need is like your company name, your personal information, your address, your phone number, and your email. So later in the process, you need a passport to set up your bank account. You can see. So they're ready to give you a bank account in the States, but like, yeah, this is really good, So what is an LLC? This is a limited liability company. This means you as a person does not take any liability when something bad happens to the business, But here, this is where the business is legally distinct from the owner. You and your business are separate. You're not one entity, So yeah, it's very important if you have an LLC. Like if you're going to be online, like trust me, this has been a big miracle, and I'm glad I could be able to be shared with you guys. And the next one is what is an EN? Is an employer identification number. Is for the tax. Okay, all these things, yeah, they have everything, tax identification. So if you still have questions, you can actually go to their help center, and they'll help you. This is their wall of love, obviously. These are the businesses they have opened. All these guys, these are all the businesses that actually started. These are all reviews from real people, not robots. These are real people, like this is actually legit. So we're somebody who is serious about being online in the long term, who is going to be accepting payments online, who is going to be sending invoices, who is going to be running companies online. This is it right here, This is your way to go. So yeah, you can open an LLC, a C Corp, DAO LLC, get tax compliance, all these things, So yeah, guys, this is something I didn't want to hold to myself, because this is something that could help a lot of people out there who are serious. And mine, I actually already submitted my documents. It's going to be now 2 weeks. So usually you can pay extra for express delivery, but I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting for those 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah, they said 4 to 6 weeks. So yeah, I don't mind waiting for all those weeks, And yeah, looking forward to you guys. Give me your feedback, how you guys go about this.